walking trails. So check this out. I'm just taking Pixie for a walk in the beautiful, it's like a botanical gardens down the road from the caravan park. And up here, I don't know, but it looks like an old prison. This is Ararat. Ararat, a place I've only ever passed through before. Haven't lingered, so this is kind of a special treat. Listen to the birdies. What's up here, Pix? Go this way. Beautiful, beautiful sunset afternoon. It's about 7:30 at night. Wow, look at this place. This is so cool. How cool is that? It's got to be an old prison. Looks like people live there. How cool. Wow. Love exploring, finding all sorts of interesting things. Come on, Pixie. Sniffing everything. So cool. Wow. Imagine living in there. Awesome. That is really cool. Up here, we'll go see what it says. Look at the view. So nice. I was right. It was a jail. 1861. Originally opened as the Ararat Jail, 1861. Between 1887 and 1991, it operated as a ward of the Ararat Asylum, named the J Ward. Wow. They do tours. Might have to come and check that out. Super cool. An asylum. Wow. Until 1991. They still had asylums in 1991. It's a bit shocking. Gosh, let's go exploring. Across the road, we'll keep continuing on in our little tour. Oh, this is a beautiful fernery area. Oh, all nicely shaded. How nice is that? Oh, look at this. Stairs. What do you reckon, Pixie? This looks like fun. Let's go exploring. Gosh, it's so fun. Oh, look. Secret tunnels. Ooh. Come on through the secret tunnel. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Wow, look how pretty. Oh, I feel like I'm in Milani. Oh, look at this tree. Wow. That is so cool. Oh, there's more. Hang on, we've got to go down the stairs, around the corner. Lots of little stairs and little corners and little paths everywhere. Oh, look, there's more there. Hang on, let's go have a look at this one. This is awesome. Oh, cute little bridge. Love it. What an amazing place. I like this place, Ararat. Another one of those towns that I go to and go, oh, I could live here. I just say that everywhere I go, but gosh, it's kind of cool to be back in an actual town. You know, supermarkets and internet access and phone access after being out in the bush for a while. And there's duckies. Oh my goodness, there's a big pond with duckies on it. Oh, I do love ducks. Look at this. Very oldie Englishy. So pretty. Let's go check out some ducks. And some famous Australian black swans. I only found this out like relatively, I don't know, a few years ago. that black swans are actually native to Australia. They don't live anywhere else in the world. Well, they're not natural. Leave it, Pixie, you're not chasing them. How pretty are they? They would eat you for dinner, Pixie Angel. Look at that. Just having rests on the beautiful lake. So nice. Such a beautiful park. So at this time of day, everything's just glowing and looking beautiful. Awesome. Check out this Art Deco hotel, Ararat Hotel. That is classic. Beautiful. Very nice. So it's Sunday afternoon, so everything's very quiet. One thing I really loved about this little town, well, it's one of the bigger towns I've been in for a while, but it's the grapevines growing all along the footpath. Like, it's so cool. I don't know if you can see that because the sun is super bright right in my eyes right now. But yeah, this is the main street of Ararat, and the grapevines go the whole length of the street. Pretty special. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? What a cool town.